Report Overview of Transcatheter Heart Valve Replacement, TAVI, Market. This market is segmented by product, surgical approach, application, end user and region. Some of the major key players are 4C Medical Technologies, Abbott, Boston Scientific, Edwards Life Sciences and more. This report will help you understand market outlook, competitive insights, regional analysis, industry trends, and growth opportunities during the forecasted period. Request a free sample by clicking on the sample link, or email us at sales@futurewiseresearch.com. Thank you for watching.